Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So just a quick one today. Peter's going to be shooting with on-camera flash. He's going to show shooting Rara in a white t-shirt against a white background, so a kind of high-key kind of dealio. And then like the nighttime beach shoot we did, he's going to shoot her against black with the on-camera flash to get that same look but in the studio. The dealio look. Okay, well I'm shooting with the Sony A1. I've got a 24-70 on. And it's mainly because I'm using on-camera flash. I've got a Profoto A10 on. I've just got on this little side bracket that allows me to drop it down and also cast a shadow to one side, which is sort of a fashion look. At the moment, my settings are 100 ISO, 125th, which I might make I'll make that 1/60th of a second, and 2.8. I might just punch that up to maybe 5/6. I'll see. I don't know. I want to see how much fill flash I'm getting. So yeah, I'll start at 5/6 and see where I go. My flash is set to 3.1 at the moment, and it's set to wide, which means it's going to spread the flash everywhere. I might just do a test shot now. Cool. And see what I get. Yeah, it's a bit dark. We're casting. Yeah, I think if I'm going to go with this, I'm going to get, so definitely let's pump up some power. I'll go to 5.1, cool. 6.2, the sun's come up, so our ambience line just changed a bit. So I'm just looking at my exposure warnings, and no, the shirt hasn't gone off yet, so I can most likely crank up a little bit more. Still not going off. All of what I'm doing now is just to taste. Now I think, yeah, I'm going to prefer you hard against the wall. So I'm going to take you back there. I don't want a pitch black shadow, so I'm going to change a couple of things. I'm going to change my ISO for a start, because now I'm getting a reasonably exposed picture, and now this flash is just going to work as a fill rather than the main. So I'm still going to get a shadow, but it's going to be so fine with so I'm shooting tethered to the Sony Edge software, so I don't have, I haven't found the highlight alerts on it. So all I'm doing is just quickly checking in my camera. Oops. Yeah, the alert's going on the back wall. There's nothing going off on her shirt at all, so that's perfect for me. Means I'm happy with my exposure as is. I can now worry about my position. That's really cool. That's really cool. And one of the reasons I'm shooting a zoom lens is because I don't want to, if I move with the camera, she's going to get brighter and darker. Yeah, I don't want that to happen. I could space it out like I do on the beach, but I'm liking this better now. With that sun just coming up, I can just do I'll do my ISO. So all I'm going to do is I'm looking at my zebraing, and I'm just going to bring it down till the zebra just turns off, and I should be able to get the same exposure. Yeah, I did. So I'm just going to keep an eye on what my live view is showing me with zebraing, and I can then shoot this knowing that the flash is set to fill from ever there. That's really cool, Rara. I really like that. Cool. So what I was talking about before, now I can zoom in a bit to get my shot, or come out and get a wider. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool. I like that lots. Nice, nice. One thing I'm just going to finalize before we do a change. 1, 2, and a bit. So I'm 2 and a bit steps away from her. The sun just dropped. Beck loves days like today. So I'll come back to 640. But now what I can do, as long as I keep that distance away from Rara, I can sort of come around and the exposure should be the same. Cool, cool, awesome. That's really cool. Cool, cool, cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice. Just drop your chin there. Cool, cool, cool. Beautiful. So now what we're going to do is just show you how difference a background's going to make. And because we're going to go with a dark background, I don't want the white shirt. And we've just done a shoot recently with on-camera flash with a black bikini and these pants. So do you want to stick them on? Yep. We've sprayed her down, just not with heaps of water, just with a little bit of water. With here, I want to push most likely my flash a little bit harder. That's looking cool. So I want to have this real blown out without being overexposed look. Right, so on my camera, it's showing just the white bits, just each side of the bikini are just going off, so that's perfect. I can live with that because it'll only be close to over. We just lost a little bit of light, but the flash will stay the same. It's only going to be, no, we lost a little bit. But that's really cool. Do you like the look of that? Yes. I've got the model's happiness. I'm just going to... So we're just using water now. Just wanted that slightly beachy look. I'm just going to drop down to cool. Yeah, only annoying thing is when you're using the natural light as fill light and it varies like it is now. So let's use her hair. I'm using her hair as my telltale. It's a fraction over, so cool. Yeah, really happy with that. Nice, nice, nice. That's really pretty. I like that. That's really cool. That's really cool. I'm also going to come off the tripod in a minute. Yeah, I'm really liking this look. It's just giving me that really starky look, and I'm 2 steps away from her now. So with this, I'm just going to do it hand hold and just keep a distance away from Rara because I just like to get a few different angles on her. Cool, cool, cool. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. That's cool. That's really cool. 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 I'm too close to touch there. There, cool. That's really cool. Cool. Just try a couple more. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Awesome. Cool. Cool. Nice. 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 Maybe stand up one. Nice and tall. Yeah, even if it's slightly into me, just a little, yeah, that's nice, nice, cool, cool, cool. Stronger legs, out wider. Even though I'm not shooting down, I want that attitude. That's cool, that real attitude, beautiful, beautiful. Now the sun comes up, just change my ISO. Cool. Nice, nice. Cool. That's cool. Nice, eyes, yeah. That's cool, I like that lots. That's cool, nice, nice, nice. Do you want to see if you got a shot now? Yeah. You like that? You're happy with that?
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. I will drop up a link to said beat shoot up around somewhere floating near my head right now.